All right, hey, welcome back, everybody. We're going to be talking about the next form on this campaign, which is the Auto Launch Early Bird Registration form. We're going to do what we did before with the early bird or the opt-in form. I can't talk for whatever reason, and we're just going to connect the two together. So what we need to do is just like we did before. We need to get the thank you page of this form so that we can publish it and then make sure the pages are all connected. So the first thing we're going to do is go find the early bird registration thank you page. We're going to grab the URL of this, and then we're going to come into the actual form inside Infusionsoft. And again, the first thing it's going to ask us for is to configure it for whatever in 12 years once it loads. It's going to ask us for what information we want to ask for. We'll just leave it as first name and email. And then under thank you page, we're going to change this from thank you page to a URL.
In the year 20 million, when the page loads. There we go.
At some point this century. Okay, and then again, we have to mark this as draft and rename it, so that we don't have a ton of forms with the same name. So we'll call this early bird registration test, just to keep with our thing for before. And then we're going to publish this campaign again. Okay.
And when we publish it, all that's doing is making that auto launch early bird registration test page real, so that Megaphone will see it from the list.
Exactly. So now we're going to come back into Megaphone, go back to the pages, because we're not dealing with the thank you page here. We're going to go to the early bird registration form, or the page here, and then under form integration on the left side, we're going to select Infusionsoft from the integration provider, and then from the drop down, we're just going to find the auto launch early bird registration
test.
There
it is.
And then save it.
And so, once again, we'll show you how to edit this copy in Megaphone and other videos. Right now, we're just building the skeleton of the campaign. The copy editing stuff is pretty fun and pretty simple. So that is how you do the auto launch registration page. Pretty simple.